Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video I already discussed about what is syntax analysis, and in this video I am going to discuss about parsing natural language. See, before discussing this topic, what is mean by parsing? In my previous video I have already explained about it. Parsing is nothing but you are given a sentence and you have to divide that sentence into individual words, and you have to tag parts of speech to particular word. Why we are doing this? In order to find the structure of the particular sentence. Okay, so natural language, what is mean by natural language? We human beings, what the language we use in order to communicate with other people, it is nothing but natural language. So parsing natural language, why we are doing parsing for this natural languages? Uh, in order to get the structure of particular document or particular language. Okay, before going to discuss about the parsing approaches, you have to know what is the motivation behind this parsing. Okay, the motivation behind parsing natural languages are, so first one is natural intonation. This is the first motivation. There are several motivations, but the main three motivations I have discussing in this video. Okay, so the first one is natural intonation. So before going through all this topic, what is intonation? For example, while you are speaking, you may increase your pitch sometimes or you may lower your pitch sometimes. Why you are doing that? Because the other person should uh, understand what you are conveying. He should understand what you are telling. Okay, so you might, that pitch modulation is nothing but intonation. So that is natural intonation. So you can see here, parsing can provide structural description that identifies a break in the sentences. So you also give pauses while you are speaking with other person, right? So why you are giving all those things? Because the other person can easily understand what you are saying. So that is nothing but natural intonation. Let's see it with an example. So first example, she is going to the store. So uh, when I am reading this particular sentence or telling it to somebody else, so at the first I am raising the pitch, right? I am raising the pitch. When I reach the end of the sentence, I am lowering the pitch. That means that I am going to tell something to that person. That is declarative sentence. Okay. Next, second example. Is she going to the store? So when I am starting the sentence, I am lowering my pitch, right? So when I am ending the sentence, my pitch is getting higher. That means that I am questioning that the person. I am asking a question to that person. So based on the pitch modulations only, the other person can understand what you are actually telling. So what is the second motivation? The second motivation is summarization. So I think you people have a clear idea about what is summary, right? In your 10th class, whenever a particular lesson ends in English subject or something other subject, so at last you will be having this summary box. So where a short text will be provided to you. Instead of reading the whole lesson, if you read that particular summary, you can get a clear understanding of what this lesson is going to tell about, right? So that is nothing but summarization. So you can see here, parsing is done to convert long text to short text. So summarization is nothing but you are converting that particular long text to short text. So because of this parsing only, you are converting it. Okay, it can reduce the number of words, but the meaning remains the same. Yes. So whenever you are reducing that long text to short text, so at that time you are actually reducing the number of words, but the meaning remains the same. Okay, the meaning of the meaning of particular paragraph is the same, but the number of words will be changed. So to get clear understanding, I gave this example. So beyond the basic level, the operation of the products vary widely. So this long text is converted to the short text. The operations of products vary. So these two texts are conveying the similar meaning, but the number of words are changed. The number of words are decreased in the second sentence, right? So this is about summarization. So the third motivation behind parsing is paraphrasing of text. So what is this paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is nothing but if there is one word, if there is any other word, any word in a sentence, so that word you want to replace with other word, where the two words are having the same meaning, but you just want to replace it with the other word. So that is nothing but paraphrasing. So here you can see paraphrasing replaces the words or phrases with other words without changing the meaning of the sentence. Okay, so let's see with an example. So example, sentence 1. So this is not sentence 1. Open borders imply increasing racial fragmentation in European countries. Why I underline this word is I wanted to replace this particular phrase with other phrase. So I underlined it. So you can see it in the second sentence. So in the second sentence, I replaced this particular word with countries of Europe. See, these two things are conveying the same meaning. European countries and countries of Europe are same, right? But I am changing the phrase. Okay? Or I can replace this European countries with European states, or I can replace with it Europe. I can replace it with European nations. I can replace it with the European countries. Though the phrases are different, but the meaning they are conveying is the same. The meaning is not changing here. So paraphrasing is one of the motivation for parsing. So let's see the applications of the syntactic analysis. Syntax parsings. So summarization is also one of the application, and also paraphrasing is also one of the application. So machine translation. Machine translation is nothing but so if you have given some text in English, so you wanted to convert it into Hindi, all those things comes under machine translation. And error correction in text. So if there are any grammatical mistakes, so that correction is done by parsers only. Speech recognition systems. So the best example, Google search engine, you will be having the speech recognition option there. So all those things are applications of syntactic parsers. So this is about parsing natural language. So in the next video, we will be discussing the approaches for this parsing, for doing parsing. Okay. I hope that this video is informative. If you think that this video is informative, you have to definitely subscribe to my channel. I have seen many people who are watching my videos but are not subscribing. So I request you all to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, please do comment. And if you want to get regular updates about the video lectures, please do join our Telegram channel. So I will be attaching in the description box or in the comment box.